Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. Today we're going to be doing a product comparison between two all-in-one wheel and tire cleaners. The tried and true Adams wheel and tire cleaner against the ever popular non-acid Meguiar's wheel and tire cleaner. Now we're going to be testing several aspects of their performance. One, of course, the cleaning ability. How many cleanings will it take to get the suds on the tire nice and white? And then we're also going to be testing the usability. That's the consistency of the product, how easy is its application, or how easy does it spray on, which also will involve the spray bottles that the companies supply for their product. Now we can award a point right now to Meguiar's because Meguiar's provides their bottles in 32-ounce bottles, which if you're a pro, you know that's much more convenient because you have to refill less. If you're an auto enthusiast, an at-home DIYer, then the 32-ounce bottle may not matter to you as much. But to me, and to any of you out there who do this professionally, this matters a lot. And the Adams, the only two sizes you can get it in are the gallon, 5-gallon I believe, and the 16-ounce bottle, which if you've ever done wheel and tire cleaning, a 16-ounce bottle, especially on large wheels and tires like are on this Jeep, won't last you too long. So without further ado, let's get this show of Adams wheel and tire cleaner versus Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner on the road. We're going to be doing a side-by-side video comparison. That way we not only keep this video shorter, but you can also see how these two products compare to each other side by side. So in this video we're really going to be focusing on cleaning the tires. To be honest, the rims really weren't that dirty to begin with. Now as we begin our first cleaning with each cleaner, right out of the gate, Adams is having problems. It completely stopped working at all on the spray setting, so I'm forced to use the stream setting, which gives me minimal coverage at best with the product. Now doing a large tire like on this Jeep Wrangler, you can notice how it takes forever to cover the whole tire with cleaner. While with the Meguiar's, it takes just a few seconds. The sprayer on the Meguiar's bottle sprays evenly and easily. Another downside to the Adams spray bottle is that by the time I did finish spraying down the entire tire, my hand and my forearm were completely cramped up. Now you can see we're finishing up our second cleaning on the Meguiar side, but we're still working on our first cleaning on the Adams side. That's mainly due to the fact that it takes so long to spray down the tire between the enigmatic sprayer and the pour spray pattern. And one thing I've noticed too is that the Meguiar's non-acid rinses a little easier than the Adams wheel and tire. It's probably because the Adams has a little thicker consistency, and that also probably contributes to its poor spray ability. But even though the Meguiar's is far ahead time-wise, they're both excellent cleaners. Both cleaners have restored the white lettering on the tires to a nice, crisp, and gleaming white. So now that we're finishing up our third cleaning on the Meguiar's side, you can see that the suds are a nice, bright, clean white, indicating that the tire itself is perfectly clean. So now that the Meguiar side is completely done, notice that we just started cleaning the Adams side for the second time. Okay, so it looks like after our third cleaning on the Adams side, we also have some nice, clean, perfectly white suds.
Okay folks, I think we have a winner, according to my opinion anyway, between Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner and Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner. Now first, the consistency of each product and how they work with the factory supplied sprayers. As you can see, the Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner did not spray very well. It is of a thicker consistency than the Meguiar's. I've had this spray bottle sitting in my truck for maybe about 6 months, and I use it from time to time. Over the last month or so, I've been using more of the Meguiar's just to test it out and get a good feel for it. So the Adams had been sitting for a few weeks unused. And if you could tell, the sprayer really didn't work that well anymore. On the stream setting, it works okay. But obviously on a stream setting, you're not going to get much coverage, especially on a big wide tire like this. And if I turn it over to the spray setting or the fan setting, it really doesn't work at all. It's totally clogged up. It's totally shut down. So definitely Adams loses a point for that one. Now the cleaning ability, as expected, was very good. In this case, we were able to get the suds nice and white in only 3 cleanings. So that's definitely a major point for Adams. However, the spray ability and the time it took to spray down this tire and the cost on my hand and my forearm to spray it out of this faulty sprayer, definitely something to consider. Now the Meguiar's comes in this really nice bottle. They've been redesigning their bottles lately. Basically all their detailer line products have been redesigned, and they come in these really nice 32-ounce bottles. And the sprayer head works very well. As you can see, very easy, very little effort to spray that, and it comes out in a nice fan. I can blanket the whole tire and the wheel quickly and easily without a lot of extra strain on my hand or my forearm. So that's a major win right there, and a huge point in the favor of Meguiar's. Now as far as the cleaning ability, they seem to have the same cleaning ability as the Adams. 3 applications got my tire nice and white. Now this stuff does have a little bit of a red coloring to it, which did show up in the suds, but other than that, they were nice and white, no browning in the suds on the 3rd cleaning, so we called it good. So as far as cleaning ability, I have to give these 2 even marks. Now for the cost. A gallon of the Adams is going to set you back around $40 on Amazon with tax, and a gallon of the Meguiar's non-acid is going to set you back about $30 for the gallon. So you can see a big price difference right there. And also for only about $12 you can buy in 32 ounces ready to use in this really nice 32-ounce spray bottle, which for me, you buy the 32-ounce bottle and then you buy the gallon, and you've got a really nice spray bottle plus 25% more product because you bought the 32 ounces in here plus the gallon than you would have by spending roughly the same price on just 1 gallon of Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. So for me, as a professional, I have to watch the bottom line. How far does a product go? How far does my dollar go when I buy a product? Meguiar's non-acid wheel and tire cleaner is the clear winner. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Most of all, I hope you found it helpful and useful, and especially if you're considering purchasing either one of these 2 products. I hope it's helped you make a more informed decision. So if you did appreciate this content, please don't hesitate to give this video a like down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any future auto detailing content. As always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.